Want a counter depth fridge that gives you premium style and smart convenience? Meet the Cafe, a stunning 22.1 cubic foot counter depth French door refrigerator built to elevate your kitchen. You get a beautifully integrated matte white finish with brushed bronze accents, plus adjustable shelves and flexible storage to organize everything effortlessly. The hands-free autofill water dispenser, precise temperature management, and bright showcase LED lighting make everyday use easier and more elegant. A premium look and smart features and an exponential performance all in one fridge. Come get it at Sweet Home Appliance.